The 2009 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and intuitive all-wheel drive for confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, CD changer, power steering, air conditioning, front, aluminum wheels, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, FWD, rear defrost. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.